I'm Susana Junco. I'm doing the Orofacial Pain Mini-Residency. I came here from Charlotte, and this is the second time around that I come to see Dr. Mayoor and Dr. Bennett. I did their sleep medicine mini-residency as well, and every time I go to one of their classes, I always feel like I get the information that I'm looking for and more. They definitely satisfy the topic that I'm looking for, and they make it easy to learn and very relaxed environment when I can ask all the questions that I need to ask, and I don't feel embarrassed to ask questions. They definitely make learning easy, and I enjoy coming to their classes, and I definitely recommend it to everyone. Thank you.